Guys, today I'll be going through the Cupra Formentor and or Cupra Leon's digital dash settings. They can be quite complicated, so I'll try and make it as easy as easy to follow as possible. So yeah, let's get into it. So firstly, the digital dash settings are all controlled by the right hand side of the steering wheel. There are different styles you can choose from, and you navigate through them styles by clicking this view button here. So I'll just run you through them all. So this is the first one, which I have on most of the time. I think it's the best one. Secondly, you have a classical double dial. Then you've got your classical Seat style dials, and then you've got your lane assist view, which has a lane assist down the middle. Then you got your map view, and then you got kind of like a blank simple view, and then I think that's the final one. Yeah, and then you're back to this view here. You can change what's on either side of the dash, and you do that by using these two buttons here. So obviously the right one selects the right hand side, and then you use this scroller to choose different options that you want there. If I show you now, and then if you get to one that you want, you just press that button in like so. And obviously for the left one, you do the same but on the left hand side. You can also get rid of some if you don't want it by scrolling up until you find this cross sign and then pressing in OK, and that will get rid of it. Same on the other side. Keep scrolling up till you find the cross, or scroll down, whichever, and yeah, that's how you get rid of them. You can also change what's in the middle bit here of the screen. By doing that, you need to push in the OK button, the scroller, and what that does is it highlights the middle bit, and then you scroll up or down to change what you want. So on this particular view, you can have the speed or the lap timer. This is the lap timer. To start the lap timer, you press in OK, and then press it in again to stop it, and then you can scroll down to cancel the lap. And then once you cancelled it, you can scroll down again. You can see here, you see since start, you can see the statistics, and then from here you can go back to selection and then select your speed again if you want that back on. Different views have different things you can put in the middle. So the next view, this one has the date and the trip, and if you scroll down, you can get the map view. Scrolling from here again, scroll down again, you got driving data. The next view has, I think, the same options but in a slightly different kind of style. Yep. And then the next view is your driving assist system. So you got your lane assist, cruise control, and speed limiter, as well as front assist. The next one is your map view. So with that, with the scrollers, you can zoom in or out of the view. The next one is this one. I don't think you can change anything here. Nope, you can't. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. My only criticism of the Cupra digital dash is that it doesn't save your settings that you put, the options that you click on the side. It doesn't save them once you change them with each view. So for example, this is my go-to setup, but sometimes I want to, like very rarely though, sometimes I want to have the full map view. So for that, I first need to go here. Then obviously by using this, I need to go and cross out what's on the left and the right hand side of the dash, like so, and then you get the full map view. However, if I decide, right, I want to go back to my traditional view, you can see each side I have to go back and find my settings once again, which can be a bit of a hassle sometimes. I think they should just save each menu page with the settings you put it to. Yeah, but that's the only criticism I have of the dash. Otherwise, I think it's brilliant. It's very, very responsive, no lag, no delays, and I also love the golden accents there. I think they're absolutely brilliant. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything on the digital dash covered. If you have any comments, questions, or anything I've missed out, do pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. If you are struggling with the infotainment screen or need help with ambient lighting, I've also done videos on them. So if you want, be sure to check that out too.